All right. So let's go ahead and check out Lavina's shop next. And Lavina has got she's got the Loopy Lady or the Loopy Lady, but you're in your shop name, you're missing the E. I don't know if you did that on purpose or what, but or maybe the Loopy Lady wasn't available. But yeah, in the actual name itself, you don't have the E there. So I don't know if you want to add that or if that was intentional. So let's go down here to the instructions. So you've got some little details there. Um, Message me for personal color sizes and shapes, and then spot clean as needed. So you've got some washing instructions, and we've got a nice little bio down here. So that looks good. Now, looking at your products, they look pretty. This looks like a nice, beautiful pillow. 17-inch pillow, hand crocheted, textured pillow, cozy pillow, gift for her, gift for her. Girls love pillows, don't they? Decorative pillows, chunky pillow. All right, so this is a nice pillow. I could see it looks honestly like a pretty cozy pillow. I'm gonna have to save this one. You know, so looking at these, we've got white, gray. I would recommend. Okay, good. You do have a color chart down here. Now, are these on here? Yes. Okay. Um, let's see here. We've got spiced persimmon, mustard, taupe, sage, ivory, olive. Okay, so that's great. You've got all the colors there, and that looks really good because it's super important, guys, to show off your colors. So your photos are very nice, super, very well staged. A book. This looks so cozy. The lighting is really good. Guys, that's what you want to try and do. You want to make sure the light's hitting your product from the side, from the front. You don't want it to be coming up the back, and you want to stage it. These pillows look so cozy because you set up a cozy scene. You got a coffee mug and a book and a blanket. I mean, they look super romantic. And then happy birthday. Hope you have the best day ever. That's awesome. Because you want to have, people buy a lot of gifts on Etsy. And if your product is a potential gift product, then you want to go ahead and you want it to show what it could look like as a gift. So including a photo of it with, some gift wrapping paper around it. That's really nice to have. The happy birthday card. That's a great idea. Now I can really see, okay, this is what it could be like giving this product away as a gift. So really good job there. Photos are really great. So on this photo, this one, I think you had a question. Should I duplicate my listings? Yeah, at this point, I think you could duplicate your listings because it looks like your listings, I think it's a great listing. You got to start renewing them. So before you get too crazy duplicating them, what I would recommend, is just renew these things. But I mean, it's very easy to duplicate your listings, so it doesn't take a lot of time. And the best thing to do if you're going to do that is you just want to switch out the keywords. So for this one here, we've got custom pillows. We got the different sizes, secondary color. So this one's confusing because I don't understand why this one has a secondary color. My keywords have hit really high results. Is that okay? So that was what I was going to get into next. I would recommend going for something smaller and to focus on the sweet spot keywords first. So this one, 17-inch pillows, that's kind of the big one in the niche. And 25,000 results it's too big. Okay. I mean, it's not like you can't get ranked for it, but it's going to be a lot easier to, start with something else. Um, Okay, so you can get a pillow with two colors. So I don't understand that because none of these pillows have two colors, or maybe it's actually two pillows, but I don't think that's the case. So for that one, I find if you have if you're going to double weave two different colors together, then I think you should show a color, a pillow, a photo with that going on, because yeah, because I can't envision that. I don't know what that's going to look like. So you got to make one of those pillows and put it in there so we can see. Because I wouldn't order that. I feel like I wouldn't pick two colors that would go well together. So looking at your keyword, one of the good things that you guys can do is just try to figure out how big your niche is in the first place. Okay. And that will give you an idea of your sweet spot keyword range. So remember how I said it was 1,000.